Welcome to the channel. Want to turn your social media into a money-making machine? Whether you're on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, there are tons of ways to monetize your content. In this video, I'll break down the best strategies, like sponsorships, ads, and selling digital products, so you can start earning from your audience. Hit that like button, and let's get started. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have become lucrative sources of income for influencers, content creators, and businesses. With the right strategies, you can monetize your social media presence through sponsorships, ads, digital products, and other revenue streams. Whether you're an aspiring influencer or an established creator, here's how you can turn your social media presence into a profitable business. 10. The future of social media monetization. Social media is constantly evolving, and new monetization opportunities continue to emerge. Platforms are introducing creator-friendly features, such as Instagram subscriptions, TikTok Creator Marketplace, and YouTube's memberships. Staying ahead of these trends and leveraging platform updates can help creators maximize earnings. As AI and virtual influencers grow in popularity, monetization opportunities will expand even further. Emerging technologies like blockchain, NFTs, and decentralized social platforms are also changing how influencers generate revenue. 9. Leveraging multiple income streams. The most successful influencers don't rely on just one source of income. Instead, they diversify their revenue streams to build a sustainable business. Combining sponsorships, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and digital products ensures financial stability. By testing different strategies, influencers can identify what works best for their audience and maximize their earnings. Additionally, offering services such as coaching, consulting, or private communities can further enhance revenue streams. 8. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, courses, presets, templates, and exclusive content are excellent ways to generate passive income. By leveraging their expertise, influencers can create valuable resources that their audience is willing to pay for. Platforms like Gumroad, Kajabi, and Teachable make it easy to sell digital products directly to followers. Subscription-based content models, such as Patreon or OnlyFans, for non-explicit creators, offer another way to monetize exclusive content for dedicated followers. 7. Brand sponsorships and collaborations. Sponsored content is one of the most lucrative ways to earn money on social media. Brands pay influencers to promote their products through posts, videos, or stories. To attract sponsorships, influencers should focus on growing an engaged audience, maintaining authenticity, and creating high-quality content. Platforms like AspireAIQ, BrandSnob, and Upfluence connect influencers with potential sponsors. Building a strong personal brand and negotiating fair compensation are essential for long-term success with brand partnerships. 6. Earning from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows influencers to earn a commission by promoting products and sharing trackable links. Amazon Associates, Reward Style, and Cherry Sale are popular affiliate programs that offer commissions for driving sales. Creating product review videos, tutorials, and unboxing content can boost affiliate earnings. Influencers can also integrate affiliate links into blogs, newsletters, and social media bios to generate passive income over time. 5. Monetizing YouTube with ads and memberships. YouTube offers multiple monetization options, including ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chats. Creators who meet YouTube's partner program requirements can start earning from ads placed in their videos. Memberships allow fans to pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks, while super chats provide a way for followers to support their favorite creators during live streams. Additionally, YouTube Shorts Fund provides bonuses to creators who produce engaging short-form content, making YouTube a versatile platform for monetization. 4. Selling merch and physical products. Many influencers launch their own merchandise lines, including apparel, accessories, and custom products. Platforms like Printful and Teespring integrate with social media, allowing creators to design and sell merchandise without handling inventory. Engaging storytelling and strong branding help boost merchandise sales. Limited edition drops, collaborations with artists, and special promotions can increase demand and drive higher profits. 3. TikTok Creator Fund and virtual gifts. TikTok offers several monetization features, including the Creator Fund, which pays eligible creators based on video views and engagement. Virtual gifts and coins allow followers to support their favorite TikTokers during live streams. Creators can also partner with brands for sponsored TikTok content and challenges. TikTok's shop feature enables influencers to sell products directly within the app, enhancing e-commerce opportunities. 2. Instagram monetization strategies. Instagram provides multiple ways to earn, including Instagram badges, IGTV ads, and shopping features. Influencers can sell products directly through Instagram Shop or promote affiliate products in stories and posts. Engaging content and strategic hashtag use can increase visibility and attract monetization opportunities. Live shopping and influencer collaborations with brands help maximize earnings through Instagram's commerce features. 1. Growing and engaging your audience. The foundation of successful social media monetization is a loyal and engaged audience. Posting consistently, interacting with followers, and providing value-driven content help build a strong community. Understanding audience demographics and preferences allows influencers to tailor their monetization strategies effectively. Analyzing engagement metrics and testing content variations can further enhance audience connection and growth. Bonus: leveraging AI and automation for social media growth. AI-powered tools are becoming essential for social media growth and monetization. Automated scheduling tools like Buffer and Later help influencers maintain a consistent posting schedule. AI-driven analytics tools like Social Blade and Sprout Social provide insights into audience behavior and content performance. Chatbots and AI-generated captions enhance engagement, while AI-assisted video editing tools streamline content creation, saving influencers time and effort. Conclusion: monetizing social media requires a combination of creativity, consistency, and strategic planning. By leveraging multiple revenue streams, such as sponsorships, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and digital products, creators can build a profitable online business. As platforms continue to evolve, staying informed about new features and trends will be key to long-term success in the digital space. With persistence and a well-thought-out strategy, influencers can turn their social media passion into a thriving business. And that's how you could start making money from social media. Whether it's through sponsorships, ads, or your own digital products, the key is to stay consistent and provide value. Which platform are you focusing on? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.